So there's two ways of applying this car wash. We can use a car wash cannon. If we do that, we're going to fill it up to right here with concentrated soap, then from here to here with water, or you can use a bucket and a sponge here. If you're going to use a bucket and water, you're going to use 4 capfuls for every gallon of water and mix it up. Okay, so first let's do the foam cannon first. Again, this is concentrated soap. You're going to fill it up to the soap line, and then from here to here, we're just going to fill it with water, and then we're going to put the gun on. Okay, so we're also going to mix some in here. Here's the capful. So I do about 2 dabs equals about 4 capfuls. So 1, 2, let's go about 3 dabs. Now we'll fill that up with water. Okay, so let's add the water. Okay, we can see it makes a lot of suds. And now I'm going to put this on the number 5 for maximum soap suds. Okay, so first you want to make sure your car is wet. You're going to rinse it off with fresh water first. Then we're going to use the car wash cannon. So a lot of suds are going to come out. Now, is the dirt going to just rinse off? No, you are going to actually have to scrub it also. But this is a great way of applying the soap. It's not going to do the washing for you, but it's a great way of applying the soap. That way you're not wasting a whole lot of soap, and it's kind of getting a really, really good coverage. Now I can come in here and scrub it with a towel or a wash mitt. Okay, so here we've got the buckets with suds in it also. Now it's just, we can get this all nice and really clean. So it smells really good also. And it's going to put a nice shine on it after we're done. Okay, so the neat thing about this car wash cannon is it has a quick disconnect. Now I've got just a hose where I can rinse this off. So let's rinse this off and let's see how it did. Now I purposefully did not wash this back part. I want to show you the difference. So it rinses off really easy. Okay, so let's take a closer look. All we did was rinse the vehicle. You can see this is really clean. This still has the dirt on it that we need to scrub off with an actual brush. But if you do let it air dry, it doesn't leave any marks or anything, no water spots. So I'm really happy with this Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash, Shampoo, and Conditioner. It does make the car look really nice. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.